How to reset YouTube feed. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, in order to reset your feed, tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, you will see the option for manage all history. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the controls option you see there. Further, go ahead and tap on the Manage History option you see there, and you will then see the option for Delete. So tap on the Delete drop down and then tap on the Delete All Time option you see there. Further, go ahead and tap on Delete once again, and with this, your deletion will be completed. So tap on the Got It option, and with this, you will have a fresh and resetted YouTube feed. So this was about how you can reset YouTube feed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.